Hey guys, what's up, Mr. Android here, and it's time for the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A50s. Well, we all have been waiting for this device because this is the successor of very popular Samsung smartphone, which is Galaxy A50. So in today's video, let's unbox this device and let's see what this device has to offer. With that being said, hit that like button and let's get started. Well, I have got this device for around 23,000 Indian rupees, and this device comes with Exynos 9611 processor along with 4GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. So let's quickly unbox this device and let's see what we get inside this box. Opening up the box, the first thing that you will get inside is the another box which contains all the paperwork, and also we have got this transparent case as well. So let's keep this aside, and the next thing is the device itself. I got this in crush white color and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I just love this back panel. It looks way better than the Galaxy A50, which I have been using for almost 6-7 months. So let's keep this aside for a moment and let's see what else we have got inside this box. So we get this charger, which is 15 watts fast charger, and it will charge your device within 2 hours. Also we get this Type-C cable to charge our smartphone. Apart from this, we also get this standard earphones, which looks very outdated for me. Anyways, that's all we get inside this box. It comes with 6.4 inches Full HD Super AMOLED display, and the front design looks very similar to Galaxy A50. In fact, you won't be able to find any difference between these two smartphones. Well, talking about the display, this display looks amazing because of that Super AMOLED panel. And if I compare with Galaxy A50, then there is no upgrade in terms of display because both this display looks gorgeous and they are Super AMOLED as well. Now let's check all the specification and see what this device has to offer. It comes with Exynos 9611 processor, which is an upgraded version of Exynos 9610 that you are getting in Galaxy A50. Also, it has 4GB or 6GB RAM variant along with 128GB internal storage, and it comes with Android Pie out of the box along with One UI 1.5. One of the most exciting feature of this device is the camera. It comes with a triple camera setup, out of which 48 megapixel is the primary lens along with a dedicated depth sensor and a wide angle lens as well. In the front, you get a 32 megapixel front camera by using which you can take some amazing selfies. Guys, stay tuned on this channel because I will be doing a separate camera review, and also we will compare this camera with Galaxy A50. Apart from this, if I talk about the battery, it comes with 4000 mAh battery, which is as same as Galaxy A50. So guys, finally let's check the in-display fingerprint scanner on this device. Well, it works pretty good, and the fingerprint scanner performs quite decently on this smartphone. Now let's compare this fingerprint scanner with Galaxy A50. Both these devices are taking same time to unlock. It looks like there is not much difference in the unlocking speed of both these devices. Both of them are working really good. So that's pretty much it for the video. Stay tuned on this channel because more Galaxy A50s videos are coming soon. If you guys like the video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.